What's up, guys? It's me, Ethan. We're in another video, and today we're just gonna do a challenge, I guess. Well, not a challenge, but I'm just trying something. I'm gonna mix, not drinks. I'm gonna mix a little water in this. Yeah. Pardon them. I'm doing this outside because I can't do it in my house. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna pour water in first. I'm gonna mix something else in there too. I'll show you in a second. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm used to looking at the screen, not the. This is the only thing I have. I don't have a full bottle of water. What water? Plus, I drank over half of it. Hey, I was sick, so barely. I'll pick it up later. I'm doing this on trip. As I said, I'm doing this on tripod. Okay, probably regret doing this outside. Okay, put it right there. Okay, hear me out. I'll be right back. This is the only one I had. Sun-kissed pineapple sun-kissed. I might try it. First, I'm gonna try it like this. It's like lemonade. Watered down lemonade. Probably ruined my drink, but barely had anything left anyway. See this? Dang, I'm gonna have to clean this bottle. Now it's on. Sorry. I was about to throw it, but no. Looks like orange juice. Does not. Looks like. Meh. I said fudge. I was about to say a bad word, but no. Might as well try it. You see, pineapple and 3 flavors of wine. I've tried it a lot. Smells good. That's good. That actually. That tastes good. Dang. That does taste real good. Well. Hey, if you want me to try anything else with this bottle, like put sweet tea and dry stuff in it, heck yeah, come on. Let me get 40 likes. 40 likes. That's all I'm asking. And 300 subscribers. Well, technically, I just need 8. Let's see. 98. Good. So, get me 11 subscribers, guys. We're going to get another one of these. But, I'm going to put sweet tea in this bottle. And I'm going to mix it with another different one I can find. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'll try. So, you get me 40 likes, 11 subscribers. Bye, guys. See y'all in the next video.